Hi, this is Joël Meyer. Here is how to make maracas with an egg carton. Separate the cells of an egg carton with large scissors and then even the edges of the cells with small scissors. Make sure the edges of the cells match up. Take a wooden dowel of about 5 mm or 1/4 of an inch in diameter and cut a length of 20 to 25 cm or 8 to 10 inches. Take a cork and cut a slice of it. Then dig a hole in the center of the cork slice. You should be able to anchor one end of the wooden dowel in the hole in the cork. Take an egg carton cell and make a hole in the bottom of the cell with small sharp scissors. The hole must allow the wooden dowel to go through. Take the egg carton cell and pass the wooden dowel through the hole. Take the cork slice with the hole, put hot glue on the part with the hole and insert the dowel into the hole. Then push the cork into the bottom of the cell. This glues the dowel to the egg carton cell. Let the glue cool down. Put a little white glue on the outside where the dowel enters the egg carton cell. Let dry. Take the second cell and put rice or lentils in it. Put white glue all around the edge and glue the cell with a wooden dowel to the cell with the lentils. Match the cells to each other as exactly as possible. Let the glue dry completely before using the maracas. Paint the maracas in the colors of your choice. If you are using rather transparent colors, it is best to first apply a coat of white paint. I chose to paint my maracas in red and yellow. To decorate the maracas, I made colored dots with the handle of the brush. Use your creativity to decorate your maracas to your liking. To print the document with illustrated instructions, click on the link below the video and visit the Animapolis website where you will find hundreds of fun and educational projects. Have fun and see you soon!